1. Ad revenue. Ad revenue. This is the foundation of most digital platforms, where creators allow large tech companies to place short commercials before or during their videos. The creator gets paid a small fraction of a cent for every single person who watches the commercial, meaning you need millions of views to make a substantial living. It provides a highly passive, automated stream of money once the content is published, but the rates can fluctuate wildly depending on the time of year and the specific audience watching. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting someone else's product and earning a specific percentage of the sale if a viewer decides to buy it. Creators simply place a unique trackable web link in their video description or blog post, directing their audience to a major retailer. It is incredibly popular because you do not have to handle any customer service, shipping, or product manufacturing. You solely act as the digital middleman connecting the consumer to the store. 3. Brand deals. Brand deals, also widely known as sponsorships. This involves a company paying a creator directly to talk about their specific product or service during a video. To secure these highly lucrative contracts, creators often set up a professional portfolio to showcase their audience demographics to potential advertisers. Unlike unpredictable ad revenue, these deals offer a guaranteed, upfront payout, making them the primary financial engine for most full-time digital businesses. 4. Digital products. Digital products. This involves creating a purely virtual item, such as an electronic book, a downloadable software template, or an online video course, and selling it directly to an audience. Because there are absolutely no physical manufacturing costs, packaging, or shipping fees involved, the creator keeps nearly 100% of the profit from every single sale. It requires a massive amount of initial work to build the product, but it can then be sold infinitely without any extra effort. 5. Paid subscriptions. Paid subscriptions. This model shifts away from relying on advertisers entirely and instead asks the most dedicated fans to pay a recurring monthly fee to support the creator. In exchange for their monthly financial pledge, these followers usually get access to exclusive private communities, behind-the-scenes content, or early access to new videos. It provides the creator with a highly stable, predictable monthly salary that is insulated from sudden changes in search algorithms or advertising budgets. 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping. This is a digital retail strategy where a seller opens an online storefront without actually keeping any physical inventory in stock. When a customer purchases an item from the website, the order is automatically forwarded to a third-party manufacturer or wholesale supplier, who then ships the product directly to the buyer's front door. The seller makes a profit by charging the customer a slightly higher retail price than the wholesale cost charged by the supplier.